Hi, I'm Brian from Toronto, Ontario, and today I am reviewing the DEWALT 20 volt max brushless compact cordless hammer drill kit half inch, which I'm putting to the test by drilling into a cinder block and concrete on the hammer drill setting. As you can see, you have to have it on the drill setting. It's a good weighted tool. You have to have the proper drill bit, obviously, and it goes in with no problem. It's compact, it's easy to hold. The battery is not too bulky, and it has multiple settings, so you can use it for a variety of tasks. I would recommend this tool to anyone who is looking for a drill for versatile repairs out at home or outside. It's a useful tool to have. It has a lot of rugged construction, and I think that this is a tool that everyone would be happy with. I would recommend the DEWALT 20 volt max brushless compact cordless hammer drill kit to my family and friends.